I just come from over school, I want to tell you, say, the teacher tell me say registration low. 11 pitney in that class and I only 3 of them register.
3 pitney alone. That can't go work, brother.
I don't want the school a lot, because of the closest school in our community where pitney them go.
So what you say the problem, brother?
Well, two things, brother. One, money. Second thing, the whole heap of picnic in our community, in other age group, the guys' school. It's like the whole of them a get big.
Charge a youth. And worse, the birth rate a drop, brother. A woman now have no whole heap of pitney again. And I like one time, bro. You know, say one woman will get all 13, 12, 18 pitney, you see me? Right now, the thing get worse, brother.
Well, I not tell you, say them forget them whole heap of picnic there and can't maintain them, But when I hear people tell you, say, yeah, we birth rate drop, that's them never can find them age kids that go to school, brother. That really bad, you see me?
So, brother, how you pray for deal with this?
Well, yeah, we can't go breed at nobody, But yeah, what we can do. I go circle in our community and see who don't have the money. Like have money issues and them things there and see how best we can assist them.
I agree with that, brother. The best we can do is see it so we can sponsor a couple of youth in our area, same way, you see me?
Well, we just, if you can take on 3 of them and me can take on 3 of them. With the 3 with them already have already a 9 that. And probably such man can take on 3 same ways a dozen.
Such, man. This is the thing now, brother.
Brother, I don't even know which part my thing there. Because if from me ear, my head fry.
Jaja, dog. Brother, the greatest thing a man tell you what go on still in a bad man, so we have to give thanks to that same way, you see me?
Tell you what go on. What you talk about, brother? You know, say a pressure, we have to pressure a man for everything. We have to pressure a man when we keep the peace meeting. You see me? We have to pressure the man to go link ranking. And we have to pressure the man, brother, to tell we who shot him or who he did a link with. Brother, you know, see the man a move like oxtail on 3 pressure cooker.
Real talk still in a brother. Most stubborn for real, my dog. But you know, we have to have meds right now, bro. We have to have meds if Sivaga really want to come back, come circle up the block, you hear that?
What you mean by? And not if. As a gangster youth. And if a man pray like how we pray, the man no must have a circle back a black brother. I don't know if nor but nor maybe, I just wait till him cool off little. Look into it, no, man.
Butcher, they made tough for real, you know, man move too stubborn in a bad man. Cause man, they just show that from early out, would have just fix up things, you hear that?
And that's why I tell you, say, me never know if me can trust the man again, brother. Cause the man did make some link with some man. Where him no know from Adams, he can take me 3 pints, brother. Remember good, no, man?
No, you're made still, you know. But you have to remember, say, I want to we still, you know, bro. And remember, say, me used to move tough them way the one time to, you know, and I see him, you know, if you talk to me, see him way though.
Big difference. Vicious, you will never plan to come after none of it. All when you want him jump off and things now go right. You never plan to kill none of it yet, brother.
So, yeah, so, where you talk, boy, you know? Where you means? Where you pray for make we cut him off?
Brother, you don't want to talk about that right now. You see me? We have too much important things to deal with. Like to get the youth them in high school, to get it active up the right way. Plus, me short whisper them, they are wait for them to circle. I hear what them are dealing with. You see it?
What? Whisper them. So you talk to whisper them about the school thing?
Nah, brother. It's cool thing. The same thing them we talk about, man. To get back your ends active up.
Oh! What? Brawling! What's man feel naked a street?
Oi. Jesus Christ. Man, you come back with the naked argument again.
It maker. When me a talk about naked and nothing to play with it, you know. Need back 9 inch, you know, brawling, you know.
Yeah, man. You know that boy, you have to put on some clothes for your argument. Your argument can't naked.
So when you say them I come link you?
I want to tell you, say today. You see me, I tell them, say, yes, I'm there for, so you can look out for them anytime soon.
Yeah, brother. Long time them to come talk to me, bad man. Like can't just empty so.
I understand, brother, man. But we just have to do it the right way. Besides, so, I want to go on with you and share. You know, fix back share out it.
It's a different argument that you know, brother. Alright, I know she dey on the ground, but better she not even there in a bad man.
So, she know say I did joke me around though. And I made it up on the phone around.
Yeah, man, she knows say I you, man. She knows say I must have you, I must have me, you see me? But right now, bro, me I tell you the truth, and even that I problem in a bad man.
Well, lad, say I know me a problem. So I go to find man a fire.
Nah, man, none of that, man. I don't know, she say her father sick, so she have to go try to find some time with him, you see me? You even think me can go deal with that still, you know, brother?
Ah, so what she has said? I live, she have to go live a foreign to take care of her father.
It maker. Let's change the topic. We not even want to talk about that, brother.
Oh, it's me set them there. That is it.
Mm-hmm.